This update error pops up when the users try to either install a system update or upgrade to the latest Windows version. If you also have the same problem, here's what you can do. Now, the first thing you can do is to have at least 16 GB of free space on your system to install new updates. If you do not have storage space, the best way to clear it is by deleting the unnecessary apps and programs you have installed on your computer. You can start by clearing up the recycle bin or deleting temp files by going to Settings, click System, choose Storage, click Temp Files, select Unnecessary Files, and then click Remove Files. Next up, disable your third-party antivirus program on your computer. Do it by right-clicking the app from your system tray, choose Shields Control, disable until the computer is restarted, click Disable until the computer is restarted, then wait for the process to be completed. Lastly, scan the system for corruption issues. Do it by opening Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooter, then click Run in the Windows Update. Enter the following fixes for this error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.